Love. Here's to the exotic. Love. For the sake of our wellness. Love. Very herby. Love. For our muscles. Love. Bittersweet. Love. We are to be satisfying others. Love. For the masculine. Love. For the feminine. Love. For stamina. Love. In our return. Love. Away from problems. Love. And our sensuality. Love. To subdue. Love. With an anti-parasitic. Love. An antimicrobial. Love. An anti-nervousness. Love. An anti-spasmodic. Love. For our pancreas. Love. For hormonal and mood balance. Love. As an antidepressant. Love. An anti-anxiety. Love. For our genitals. Love. Our bladder. Love. Digestive issues. Love. And the physicians who employ them. Love. What is our center of identity? Love. What are we reflecting? Love. What are we finding? Love. Are we eclectic? Love. Are just unusual? Love. To subdue. Love. In the weird. Love. Are otherworldly. Love. May we grow psychically. Love. Increase us in our potency. Love. May we develop psychically. Love. And breathe towards the proper ends. Love. And improve in our sleep. Love. And ever regard love. Love. And our sexuality. Love. increase the power of our spiritual operations. And other types of energy. Extend the aural. So that we may contact other planes. Beyond mere desire. In our vision quest. To take in what is paired and not paired in the dualistic. With the purgative. And the end. The minute. With the knowledge. Of an aphrodisiac. And fertility on all levels. With Venus, Moon, and Jupiter. In Cancer and fire. Now, I initially had some of Damiana or Wumgazlev in Lazuvama. And I don't know where to get any more. It may become illegal in my country too. I did see online that some countries have outlawed it because people will take large doses to get high. I think also the fact that there is possible medical, there's possible medical benefits to it. So therefore people, oh no, we have to cancel everything that could be used as medicine rather than people buying stuff from the pharmaceuticals. Know what you're doing. I'm not making any particular medical claims in any of my videos. I'm just saying these are the, the symbolic things attached to it. Find out your own conclusion with that. And as one may see, I guess it doesn't show up on the screen. I've got a book, Lunet's Book of Incense, a magical primer, Stephen R. Smith, and I have added more notes, Lizabuma names, rituals that I might want to combine with substances and all that sort of stuff. So I've used it as like a notebook that I very thoroughly beat up over the years. So, there's that. But yeah, I did acquire some of it at a store, and then I found out later, yeah, some countries have banned it. Probably, yeah. But what, are we going to ban nutmeg because people can like consume a whole bag worth of nutmeg? One of those little, one of those little sandwich bags. Yeah, someone's going to use that much nutmeg at once, or someone's going to use a pound of saffron at once. But that's like $80 or something, isn't it? So, oh, that's too expensive. People might not do it. But yeah, people will do it. There's a lot of things that people can take too much of, like wormwood. Really, you're going to take the dough rather than a pinch, something that you can have every day for your whole life and live to be 200 years old for all you know. You're going to try to have the dose a horse takes. Are you going to at least have the sick person's dose every single day? No, you want to have smaller amounts of these things. Are people, issues with extracts? Sometimes that stuff doesn't occur when you have straight up have the plant. But my point is just involving the spiritual consciousness in your offerings, and it can be an offering. You know, I'm personally not worshiping the plant. I'm just giving it a spiritual name, and I'm using it as part of my things. Now, can you ask for these various spiritual things without taking the plant? Sure, you can. And to read off the meme, I maybe some people can't see the meme, but we have perceiving, physicians, lunar, dualistic, radiance, emotional, ability, and hormonal as possibilities. And if you know of any additional symbolism to any of these symbolism rituals that I've done, or you have a suggestion of something that I may have around, do comment, because I do intend to go through everything that I can, as I go along. I mean, maybe not everything I can, because it won't be such a priority